Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here coming at you with another video. This video is actually about the contest. Okay, I'm still pushing to get 1,000 subscribers, 1,000 subscribers by the end of May 31st, 2024. I will need to have 1,000 subscribers, and this is my push to 1,000. I'm currently at 315 subscribers, and thank you to all of my current subscribers. You guys are great. Thank you for making this happen, building this channel from the ground up, and I could not do it without your help. So basically, what I've done is I've set up a contest. The last contest, we did not have the drawing because we did not reach the 1,000 subscriber minimum. The way the contest works is I will be holding a drawing if I hit 1,000 subscribers by midnight on May 31st, 2024, and only to the people that have entered the contest. To enter the contest, number one, you need to be a current subscriber. So hit that subscribe button right now if you want to enter the contest, and post. You got to like this video and you've got to post nice watches in the comment section and share it with as many people as you can, because if I reach 1,000 subscribers by May 31st, midnight, May 31st, 2024, I will be giving away not one watch, but two. There will be two watches that I'll be giving away, two of probably the most popular designs. Number one would be this Rolex Submariner homage made by the company Olevs, and number two would be this Richard Mille homage watch made by the company Mini Focus. So I'll be giving away both of these watches. They will be shipped directly to you, and that will be to one lucky subscriber who wins the contest. I will be holding a drawing if I reach 1,000 subscribers, 1,000 subscribers by May 31st, 2024, and anyone that has posted nice watches in all capital letters in the comment section will be entered in the drawing to win both of these watches. Not just one, but both. They're beautiful watches. We've got the Olevs rendition of the Rolex Submariner. It's a very nice watch. Great quality build on it. Rotating bezel. Very, very nice watch. It's good quality. It's got the crown logo on the winding crown itself. Very good details on this watch. And I will be giving it away along with this Richard Mille design with silicone band by Mini Focus. Very, very nice watch. One lucky subscriber who enters the contest will win both of these watches. They will be shipped directly to you. So if you haven't already subscribed and entered the contest, all you need to do to enter the contest is subscribe. Post in the comment section nice watches in all capital letters, and you need to be a current subscriber in order to enter the contest. So hit the subscribe button, post nice watches in the comment section below, and share this video with as many people as you can. Once again, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman, because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. So head on over to themselves.To after you've entered the contest. Head on over to themselves.To. Check out some of my other watches. I do have affiliate links posted. All of those affiliate links do help out the channel, and I would definitely appreciate it if you're looking to buy any of these watches that you head on over to themselves.To and check out what I have available on my website. Aside from that, stay tuned for more watch review videos. I'm reviewing watches all the time. I've got a bunch of watches coming in this week. I've got some coming in next week. I've even got a really nice Seiko GMT watch coming in that I'll be doing a review on next week. So if you like this content, please like and subscribe. Thumbs up always helps. And subscriber count, like I said, if I get 1,000, I'm having a drawing. 1,000 by the end of the month. If I get 1,000 by the end of the month, I'm having a drawing, but somebody's going to win both of these watches. So definitely take a minute, enter the contest, and check out some of my other videos if you like to see this content. So that said, you guys have a great night. I will see you guys all in the next watch review video. Have a nice evening.